Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about various issues due to which there is a sudden increase in the size of MS Excel file. Generally, when you start adding data, your file size increases. The high file size make it difficult to work as the MS Excel start working slower. Even simply saving MS Excel file become difficult. Moreover, if your computer system does not have a strong configuration, then the file can crash at times. Sometimes a MS Excel file can have a lot of data and parameters used in it, such as validations, name manager, hyperlink, which can cause the increase in the file size. In case if your files have too many tabs and previous mentioned parameters, then the increased file size is justifiable. But in some cases, the file does not have much of the data and yet the file size is bloody large. One of the aspects that usually comes as the case in the increase of the file size is due to data which cannot be seen in the vast workbook. In this file, we have price data of stock Apple for the last 5 years. Though it is not much of a data, but if we want to reduce the file size, what can we do? We can check the cell in the worksheet where the data is laying. For the same, we can go under Home ribbon. You can see option Go To, open it, then click on Special and click on Last Cell, which will take us to the last format cell in the worksheet which contain data or format. Please note that even a cell is blank but is formatted, the file size can increase. Hence, to remove unwanted data format, go to Home button, click on Clear drop down and click on Clear All. Then save the file, and if you check the file size now, you will see that the file size has dropped back. So that's it in today's video. If you find this session knowledgeable and interesting, then like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.